Okay, so here we are with a quick look and chat about earplugs and the benefits. You will get some helmet noise if you're going at higher speeds, especially if you're doing motorways and the like. And a good way to reduce that is earplugs. You get different types. Some are the cheaper construction type foam. When I say construction type, I mean the workers use them when they're doing machinery. It's an orange pellet and it's a foam, and what that does is you can put it in the palm of your hand, squeeze it and reduce it in size, and then put it into the ear canal. You've got other ones which are more like in the actual ear, outer ear. It molds itself and shape, so you can use them constantly. And that's also a more expensive thing, but basically I had the cheaper foam ones in my ears while I rode down here, and it was a lot more comfortable riding on the motorway with those in versus not in. We're just doing a little ride here in Matlock, the Peak District, and got a jigsaw here. We've got a BMW bag of nails, 1000cc. So nice day, and we're out just having a little ride. So that's that.